In this video, learn how to automate complex data pipelines using Apache Airflow, a vital skill for managing and scheduling workflows in today's data-driven environments. Imagine orchestrating your data workflows seamlessly without manual intervention. This is where Apache Airflow steps in, on an open-source platform that allows you to programmatically author, schedule, and monitor workflows. Apache Airflow has become the backbone of modern data management due to its flexibility and robustness. In this video, we're going to dive deep into how you can leverage Airflow to automate complex data pipelines, optimize your workflow processes, and enhance your data management strategies. So, if you're ready to elevate your data orchestration skills, let's get started. At the heart of Apache Airflow lies the concept of directed acyclic graphs, or DAGs. But what exactly is a DAG? Simply put, a DAG is a collection of all the tasks you want to run, organized in a way that reflects their relationships and dependencies. Each task is a node, and the arrows between them signify the flow of data. DAGs ensure that tasks are executed in the right order without any cycles, making them fundamental to process automation. Think of it as a roadmap for your data pipeline, ensuring that each step leads smoothly to the next. In this segment, we'll explore why DAGs are crucial for representing tasks and visualizing dependencies, providing a clear structure for your workflows. Before diving into automating data pipelines, setting up your Apache Airflow environment is crucial. Start by installing Apache Airflow using a package manager like pip. Next, configure the environment by setting up a database backend, such as PostgreSQL or MySQL, which Airflow uses to maintain state and store metadata. After the database setup, initiate the web server, which will serve as your interface for monitoring and managing workflows. Finally, verify your installation by accessing the Airflow UI in your browser. Completing these steps ensures you're ready to start building and managing your data workflows efficiently.
Once your environment is ready, it's time to create and schedule tasks. In Apache Airflow, tasks are defined in Python, providing the flexibility to specify operations as code. You'll start by creating a task using Python operators, which define what the task should do. Set parameters such as retries delay, and task dependencies. To schedule tasks, use cron-like syntax to define when and how often they run. By the end of this section, you'll have built and scheduled your first basic data pipeline, gaining hands-on experience in task management with Airflow.
In any data pipeline, managing dependencies between tasks is crucial to ensure efficient workflow execution. Apache Airflow provides robust mechanisms to define and manage task dependencies, ensuring tasks execute in the correct order. Use methods like set_upstream and set_downstream to define these relationships. Understanding and effectively managing dependencies is key to preventing bottlenecks and ensuring your pipeline runs smoothly. This section will equip you with the knowledge and best practices to set up and troubleshoot task dependencies, ensuring your workflows are both efficient and reliable. Once your data pipelines are running, monitoring their health becomes essential. Apache Airflow's UI is a powerful tool for keeping track of task execution and overall workflow status. Use it to access task logs, set alerts for failures, and monitor performance metrics. Understanding how to troubleshoot common issues, such as task failures or slow execution, will ensure your pipelines run smoothly. This section will guide you through using Airflow's monitoring tools effectively, helping you maintain robust data workflows. Automating data pipelines isn't just about getting tasks to run, it's about optimizing for efficiency and scalability. Embrace best practices such as keeping your code modular, which allows for task reuse and simplifies scaling. Security is paramount, so ensure credentials and sensitive data are managed securely. Always document your workflows and use version control to track changes. Integrating continuous deployment processes can further streamline operations. By the end of this block, you'll be equipped with best practices to ensure your automated pipelines are efficient, secure, and easy to manage.
To bring theory into practice, let's explore some real-world examples of automated pipelines using Apache Airflow. Consider an ETL, extract, transform, load, pipeline that integrates data from multiple sources, transforms it for analysis, and loads it into a data warehouse. Another example could be a real-time data processing pipeline that cleans and analyzes streaming data. We'll also look at how Airflow integrates with other tools like Apache Spark and Hadoop for enhanced functionality. These case studies will provide insights into the scalability and performance benefits of automating data workflows, inspiring you to implement similar solutions in your environment. Congratulations! You've taken significant steps towards mastering Apache Airflow for automating data pipelines. We've covered the essentials from understanding DAGs and setting up your environment, to creating tasks and managing dependencies. Remember, The key to effective automation lies in practice and experimentation. Join the vibrant Airflow community to continue learning and sharing insights. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on data automation. Let us know what topics you want us to cover next. Keep automating and optimizing.